Welcome back to this channel where we talk about child-related issues. This is the second part of the last video. My name is Halima Andieri, and today I want to talk about how to handle the drop in your child's grades. Occasionally, every child brings home disappointing grades, and at times, their own guilt and shame sets them back to the right track. While at other times, it takes parental intervention to ensure that this is not the beginning of a pattern. So here you are, your child has come home with the disappointing grades, okay? You've checked the report form, you are disappointed, you are annoyed as a parent. So when do you talk about the grades? What do you say? And how do you handle this issue? Start talking about the importance of grades early enough. Always talk to your child about the importance of working hard and about the importance of good grades. Don't wait until when a bad report card is brought to you for you to have your first talk on the importance of grades. Make it a habit, okay? And start this from as early as possible. Address the issue with concern and not anger. Take the report form, look at it keenly, and take a break to cool down. Remember, you cannot change the past. It has already happened. Your child has already brought home the bad grades. So, what is important is what will happen from this point onwards. Separate your child from the grades. Let your child know that your hatred is towards the bad grades and that you still love him or her. So while talking to your child, focus on the bad grades and give him or her tangible goals to aim for. You can also talk about his or her future career plans and calmly remind him or her the importance of working hard. Let your child know that despite the poor performance, you are still there for him or her, okay? Let him or her know that you don't just care about the performance, but you care about their well-being as well. Ask questions, okay? Because you want to know why he or she performed poorly, okay? Is it because of a problem in school? Is it because he or she is being bullied in school? Is it because of a problem from home? Okay, you ask all sorts of questions, okay? And I know as you ask the questions, your child will respond. Your child will give you reasons as to why he or she did not perform well, okay? And as you talk, as you ask questions, don't blame him or her. I know you'll be disappointed, okay? You'll be annoyed at that particular time, but try not to blame him or her over the poor performance, okay? Just find a way of calmly talking or calmly asking questions, okay? And if you shout, okay, if you blame him or her, okay, most of the time, the teenagers will not open up. They'll just keep quiet. You'll talk and talk and talk, and they'll not even respond, okay? So be wise, okay, and know how to ask the questions and know how to talk to your child, because you really want to get down to the point, okay, down to the reasons as to why he or she has not performed well, okay? And if your child responds and tells you the reasons, and if you feel like there is an underlying issue, please do whatever it is possible in order to support your child, because at the end of the day, this is still your child. Talk to the teacher, because he or she spends more time with your child. And again, the teacher's input will shed more light on whether there is need for more help or whether your child has a personal problem that needs to be addressed as soon as possible. Be supportive of school regardless of your own level of education. Make learning enjoyable for your child, and your child will do his or her best because he or she will love to learn. Support your child in any possible way, okay? Buy everything that is required. Attend the academic clinics in school, and always be in touch with your child's teachers. Don't pressurize your child. Just encourage him or her to work hard, okay? Remind him or her the importance of working hard from time to time. Good grades are necessary, and so is your child's happiness. Let them know that you are still on their side no matter what, instead of piling pressure, okay, to your child. Pressure can lead to stress, lack of sleep, depression, and many other complications which can be dangerous to your child. So take it easy and don't pressurize them. Last but not least, take the simplest steps, okay? Like, check how organized your child is, okay? If he or she is not organized, then help him or her to get organized, okay? To make a personal study, a timetable, okay? When to read, when to do homework. Just help him or her to get organized, okay? Limit television and establish a study plan, okay? You can also ensure that you have provided a good study environment where your child will do his or her revision without any interferences. And then ensure that you don't overload your child with household chores, okay, or with any other extracurricular activities. Just help your child to focus, okay, on his studies, okay, or her studies, okay, on his or her homework, so that, okay, he or she can be able to improve on his or her grades. Those are some of the ways on how to handle the drop in your child's performance. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so as not to miss out on any child-related issues. Until next time, bye-bye.